Hey everyone, so in this video we will create our own Go application that is in Hello Web Go, and previously we have used a simple Hello World which has nothing to do with language. We have already seen an inbuilt Hello World application using the container app. So now we will deploy our own apps, and that is again a very simple app. I'll show you. That's a simple code in my repository, in my um, GitHub repository. And here if I go into the master branch, then I have a Docker file, the Go mode file, and hello Go. So if you see in hello Go, again nothing. I have one handler and one main function when the server getting started, and it is handling a root handler, and we have a simple handler method where it takes a response and a request and just print uh, on a web browser while we are trying to connect to a root path. Alright, again simple, and I have a simple Docker file. It's a very common Docker file. You just have a base image, then you create a working directory, you copy all the source code into over there, and then you build the whole application, expose the port 8080, and then command to run it. Alright, now let's go back to the portal and choose the container app. I'll create and then choose any resource group that is available. I'll just give that hello web and go. Okay, and then I'll choose a region which is US2 and go to the container, uncheck this use quick start image so that we can have our own image, and I'll go directly from the source code. I will not build any sort of image for this video. I show how to build the Docker image, push it, and then get it from there. I'll just automate your deployment and build your image. You don't need to build over here. The everything will be done by Azure Container App. So here you just need to, when you are signing first time, then you just need to put a credential of your GitHub repository, alright? And then organization, that is your username, and the repository is the same repository where they have tried Hello Web Go. This is the same one, and I'll choose a master branch because in main branch, in master branch, my code is there. Now here, um, when Azure containers try to build an image, it need to push somewhere. So either you can have an Azure container registry, or if you want to put a Docker hub or other registry, then you have to put a credential of the Docker hub over there, or either you can create Azure container registry. We'll try again both. So I'll go to the um, portal and then search for container registry. Okay, you click create and just give any name. I just create a new RG C001. It's okay, fine. And I simply say PM team. Any unique name that you need. I'm just give your name, and I'll just go with the basic so that it will incur a less cost. And click on a create. Once this is created, we need to create or uncheck the admin user that I'll show, and go to the resource, and here in the access key just click on this admin user and you are done. Okay, because you are creating this app using the admin user. So here if I just click again, then automatically registered registry came in there. If it is a multiple registry, then you can filter it out, or you can choose out of them. And then I just go with everything, and here the path of the Docker file. So here in our case Docker file is on the root path, so we'll just go with this basic one and click on apply. Alright, so basic path is we already created. Now let's go to the Ingress, and here because Ingress we required uh, outside internet to be accessible over here, then click on enabled and accept traffic from anywhere. Then Ingress type is HTTP because we want to check from the browser, And here transport or insecure connection, yes, for now, yes. And transport target port is, if you see in the Docker file, it is an 8080. So here we will put an 8080, and then I think we are done with everything. Now let's try to review and create, and let's see. Okay, now let's our validation has been passed. So now let's create and wait for some time. You can see the progress over in notification bar. Now let's go to the resource, and here is our URL. So let's click, and if you find such an error, just wait for some time, and if it is still repeating, then there must be something in a deployment issue. But after after maybe 3 or 4 minutes, again try to refresh and check. Let's again try. If you can check the revision, and if it is something is available, or yeah, now it is ready. Sometimes it takes time to allocate all the things and checking. And now let us go to the overview and click again. Yes, it is working fine. So this may take some time even after refreshing the first time. So hello world, this is my first Go web app using Golang. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.